Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Jagtap and today I'll be taking you through Pulse News Twitter agent use case built using UiPath SDK and LangGraph. So what this agent does is basically it fetches the latest news from NewsAPI org, then it prioritizes them based on credibility and freshness. So how we decide credibility is basically we look into which source it has come from, whether it is from BBC, CNN, Bloomberg, CNBC, or different kind of news outlets. And we look at the recency. Basically, we look when it got published, whether it got published 24 hours before or few hours before and all. That's how we decide the recency. Then we rewrite them into a short and engaging tweets, and we have an option whether to post it on Twitter or not. So this is how I have built this. I will take you through the workflow diagram. So this is a bit complex workflow diagram. I will take you through a simpler one. What we does is basically we load all the configuration. We will be using both Twitter APIs and uh, News API.org API. We fetches 20 latest news articles and we prioritize them as I showed you based on credibility, recency, and we select the top 5 articles from them. Then we rewrite them using our GPT 4.0 model and we post them on Twitter with URLs and images and everything. And in the end, we will get all the summary as what the agent has performed so far. Okay. So if I go to my Twitter right now, I have posted around 20 tweets, and you can see these kind of examples that we will be getting if app benefits and everything. And if we click on the link over here, it will take you through that particular news source. Okay, so what we will be giving, we will be giving an environment variable, all our API keys and all our Twitter keys, API keys. We will be giving it over here in environment configuration. Topic, we have to give a topic. If we don't give any kind of topic, then it will take a default topic. So I'm giving a India as a topic over here. Do we want to post it on Twitter or not? If we set it to false, it will not go and post it on Twitter. If we set it as true, it will go and post it on Twitter. And how many tweets that we want to post? So we can mention 1, 2, 3 over here. Now I will start the bot. Yeah, we can see in the logs that it has started and it has started downloading all the required packages. We can see we are given India as a topic, auto post Twitter as true, and number of tweets as 1. Okay, so these are the few, like it has initiated API for Twitter by using a Tweepy. These are the top 5 articles that it has got, and it has a tweeted 1 tweet. So if I go to, and it has successfully execution has been completed. If I refresh this, yes, successfully completed. I go to details. I can see the topic, and these are the articles, and priority score has been decided. Uh, and according to that, the most recent one and most sensational news that we have posted it on our Twitter. Now, it has gone through all these 20 different kind of news and it has decided to post only one. If I go to traces over here, we can see like what all news it has covered and how it has decided to post which news. So it has gone through all the 20, decided on top 5, then rewrote them using our ChatGPT model and then posted one of them. If I go to my Twitter, currently 20, if I refresh this, I can see 2020 tweets over here, and I can clearly see in India, this is the sensational news that we have, and also a link for that particular tweet. Okay. So how the code has been divided? We are using Tweepy for tweeting the tweets and news.api.org for getting all the news from. We are using a ChatGPT model of 54.0 mini for getting summarizing all the tweets and rewriting it. Uh, this is how we are we're calculating which tweet to post based on trusted sources and relevancy and recency. This is where we are fetching the news. Then we are prioritizing over here. Then we are rewriting, and then we are in the end we are posting it to Twitter. This is how the graphs are built, the entry points. Thank you so much.